In this video, we will be talking about the Lazada affiliate program, specifically how to sign up. So before we do that, we will have to know the requirements. So we have two options for the requirements. We have affiliates with BIR certificate of registration and affiliates without BIR certificate of registration. So for individuals, you have a different set of requirements than those for the companies, specifically valid government issued ID, bank certificate, BIR 2303, and a blank copy of official receipt. Whereas for the government, they are required a certificate of incorporation. After you have your documents ready, you will need to sign up to this button down here. Then when you click that button, it will take you to this page which is adsense.lazada.com.ph. When you sign up, make sure to have all correct informations due to the restriction of Lazada affiliate program approval process. So after that, just put in the required information that they ask, for example, your gender, your birthday, and whether you are a local resident or not. If you are based overseas, you will be needed to submit a different form of ID. And then after that, just submit your personal ID card, your TIN number, and you'll be required also to submit both sides of your ID card. After you have done that, you will put in your address and your area code and phone number. Also, if you have a referral code, you can also put in the referral code that you have. Then you will be needed to submit a verification code from your email. After that, you will select your promotion channel and enter the URL. So for example, the website, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, TikTok, Twitter, and Line. So the more content accounts, the better. So after that, just click on accept the terms and condition and click on continue, and you will wait for their email to have your approval. Just take note of the date that you sent your application form as written over here. Please take note of the date and time you successfully submitted your application form. And after that, also make sure you have all your information correct, and then just wait for their email. And that's about it. That's how you sign up to the Lazada affiliate program. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you next time.